Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Barclays app error code RP156. So here are the steps to fix the Barclays app error code RP156. The first step is to try restarting your mobile device. This can often resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be causing the RP156 error. The following step is to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and reliable internet connection, as the error may be caused by poor connectivity. Try connecting to a different network if possible. The following step is to clear the cache and data of the Barclays mobile app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Barclays Storage, and clear the cache and data. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. The fourth step is to ensure you're using the latest version of the Barclays mobile app. Check the App Store and update the app if a newer version is available. The last step is to check if the error persists. Contact Barclays customer support, provide them with the error code RP156 and any other relevant details about the issue you are experiencing. They can investigate about the problem further and provide specific troubleshooting steps or assistance. So this is how you fix it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.